Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making pumpkin spice and everything nice brioche French toast. This is a super easy and simple recipe that requires very little ingredients. This is the perfect recipe for lazy Sunday mornings. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button for awesome cooking and baking videos every week. Now, let's get cooking. You'll need a shallow dish, a 1/4 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of sugar, a teaspoon of cinnamon, 4 tablespoons of butter and some extra for frying, a teaspoon of pumpkin spice, some vanilla extract, brioche bread, and 4 eggs. On a clean surface, we're going to cut up some thick slices of brioche. I love brioche. It's pillowy, soft, and buttery, and it's the perfect bread to make French toast with. I purchased my brioche from Whole Foods. If you have one, use a serrated knife to cut the bread. I cut the slices into about 1.5 inches thickness. Now, in a shallow dish, pour about a 1/4 cup of milk and crack in 4 fresh eggs. Add a splash of vanilla extract, and next is my favorite. Sprinkle in about a teaspoon of pumpkin spice. As you can see, I'm being a little bit generous. Also add a teaspoon of cinnamon and 2 tablespoons of sugar. And of course, a dash of salt. You want to make sure to whisk in the eggs really well, or else the batter will form into scrambled eggs when cooking. eggs are incorporated, add in the 4 tablespoons of melted butter. If the butter is still warm, then add it slowly to prevent the eggs from cooking. This is called tempering. Yeah. And that's all there is to the batter. Once the pan is heated on medium-low, spread some more butter. I know it's a lot of butter, but it's a delicious sidekick in the kitchen that makes everything taste so much better. Besides, you could burn the extra calories at the gym. It's okay if the butter browns a bit. Brown butter is delicious. But don't mistake burnt butter for brown butter. You will be able to tell the difference. Okay, now with that ready, I quickly dip my slices of bread in the batter for about 3 seconds on each side and pop them onto the hot pan. I was able to fit 2 on my pan, making cooking time quicker. Each side is cooked for about 3 to 4 minutes, and I just made sure that each side was a nice golden brown. And there, done. I microwave some syrup for easy pouring and enjoy this breakfast, followed by a post-breakfast nap. Yum. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope you enjoyed and learned some helpful cooking tips along the way. I post new cooking and baking videos every week, and if you'd like to be part of my culinary journey, go ahead and subscribe.